break of participating in Toastmasters due to overcoming some health concerns. After Galina restored her physical health, her passion in life is to help people on their healing journeys. The why behind Galina's healing practice and public speaking is to empower individuals to achieve the state of extreme joy and health, which is possible even in the dark seasons of life. Please welcome Galina Malchikova.
God, please heal me. Please give me the second chance in life. I promise to live up to my fullest potential. I promise I won't disappoint you. Please heal me. I said this prayer back in 2017, when it's been a year of me suffering from some mysterious illness that none of the doctors could figure out. None of 50 different specialists could provide the answers. It took another year just to discover the diagnosis. The third year to heal from it. And then I suffered the consequences of taking myself off the thyroid medication. Regardless of the past, I am now on my way to achieve a higher state of bliss. Mr. Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, bliss is the state of inner joy, love, peace, and contentment. It's a lot different from happiness because happiness depends on the external circumstances. It's like, I'll be happy when syndrome. I'll be happy when I make $100,000 per year. I'll be happy when I get married. No, I'll be really happy when I get divorced. I'll be happy when I look as slim and beautiful as Angelina Jolie. And it never ends. Another reason why many people don't experience joy in daily is because they're stuck in the past. They blame their parents, people who hurt them, and circumstances. I'm so sick because I wasn't breastfed. I'm so dysfunctional because I was abused as a child. I was always an underdog, got bullied in school. I will never amount to anything. The truth is, your happiness is not obtained by socially desired looks, status, relationships, or money. Your past doesn't define you either. Your happiness is found in one place only, inside of you. And it's found only in the now. Thus, bliss is a state of inner joy, love, peace, and contentment found in the moment you breathe. So how can you achieve a higher state of bliss? Tomorrow morning when you wake up, please pay attention to your very first thought. According to the statistics, many people wake up in a bad mood and they lavish themselves in negativity. Instead, take a few nice, deep breaths. Just be. Smile. Count your blessings, even the tiny ones, and honor your body with a stretch. Choose to be grateful for what you have and where you are. Thank God for another day. First thing in the morning, fill your cup with love, joy, peace, and contentment until it overflows. You can do it through affirmations, prayer, or meditation. Do it daily, and it won't take long to achieve a higher state of bliss. You may say, there are so many things to be grateful for when things go well, but what if I just got cancer diagnosis? Can you experience bliss in the valley, in the darkness of life, in times of need, sickness, or depression, when you're down on your knees begging God for help? And the answer is yes. At the bottom of the darkest valley, in your deepest pain, in despair, this is where the sweetest bliss is found. I admire the survivors of Holocaust and Auschwitz who claim themselves as the happiest people on earth. Viktor Frankl, in his famous Man's Search for Meaning, pointed that forces beyond your control can take everything away from you, except one thing: your response to the situation. In the darkness of life, we must purposefully create bliss on the inside. People who survived Nazis' tortures and lost their families found meaning in suffering because they realized that nobody can take away control over their minds. Nobody can take away control over your mind. Just decide that you will overcome cancer, reverse a massive lupus, recover from a heart attack or stroke, manage diabetes, and overcome an addiction. Just decide that nobody can take away your joy from you. Decide that you will achieve a higher state of bliss, no matter the cost and no matter how long it takes. Say yes to life now. I would like to finish with the Bible verse from the book of Philippians. Finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. Friends, set your minds on the things above. This is where the sweetest bliss is found. Mr. Toastmaster.